Good day, ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, September 26th. Happy fall, and hope everyone had a good weekend. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida, along Alabama and Louisiana, into the east coast of Texas for the conditions you might have experienced if you went offshore this past weekend. Starting off in the eastern Gulf, you can continue to see the loop current pushing northwards, shown here. This loop current continues to push north just to the southeast of the Mississippi Canyon before it turns back southeast near Lloyd's Ridge. Additionally, we continue to see the westward movement of the main loop current eddy that had been centered further east off of the Mississippi Delta for quite a while. You can see this loop current eddy located right here near the Green Canyon. This is continuing to help maintain bluer water in the Green Canyon area. However, heading offshore towards this oceanographic feature, there are some unstable water mass boundaries along the northern edge, shown in this ocean color imagery shown here. Again, you can see the loop current moving east off of the Mississippi Canyon and loop current eddy off the Green Canyon with some of these unstable boundaries inshore along the northern edge. Staying with our ocean color chlorophyll imagery, you can really see the larger counterclockwise rotating eddy formation offshore of Tampa Bay shown here. This larger counterclockwise rotation is maintaining quite a bit of blue-green to greener water relatively far offshore of Tampa Bay, with bluer loop current water only pushing back towards the ledges near 1,500 to 1,000 fathoms off of the Fort Myers to Naples area, near the southern portion of the Howell Hook Ridge to the west. This greener water further inshore, shown here, continues to move south off of the Tampa Bay area that from earlier in the month, and it continues to move southwards as it enters the Florida Straits over the next few days. This greener water had been seen near the DeSoto Canyon earlier in the month and continues to move southwards. Additionally, we have observed this larger counterclockwise rotating eddy formation near the DeSoto Canyon. This counterclockwise rotation has pulled some blue-green to greener water in an unfavorable offshore direction from the Vasconol area, while also pulling bluer water into the DeSoto Canyon double nipple area before moving back offshore near the Tuna Mountain. There's also another smaller counterclockwise rotation off of Cape San Blas. Combined, these are bringing smaller filaments of cleaner green to blue-green water north of the DeSoto Canyon and moving eastward before moving south near the Lloyd's Ridge area. Heading towards the western Gulf off of Texas, we continue to observe the larger clockwise rotating eddy formation off of the South Padre Island area. This counterclockwise rotation or clockwise rotation, along with a smaller counterclockwise eddy developing off of Mexico, is helping to bring some bluer water into the ledges near the Texas Canyon. Several smaller eddies continue to develop right off of the border here, with one of these eddies currently located offshore of the Aransas Pass area. This smaller counterclockwise eddy near the Aransas Pass area is helping to bring some of this bluer water into the ledges inshore near the East Breaks, as well as west-southwest towards the explosives dumping area near the Gems Peak area. And real quick, we can switch back to our ocean or our sea surface temperature chart showing most of this area dealing with higher temperatures still in the 85, 87 degree range, especially off of Mississippi and Florida Panhandle area, with warmer waters to the west-southwest. And here's a quick shot of our ocean color imagery again. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Also, now that it is fall, our office hours have changed to 9 o'clock to 5 p.m. on Monday through Friday, and we are now closed on Saturdays. Have a good week.